Happy Friday. Why are you guys laughing at me? Oh, I got something weird on my head. Yeah, aren't they so cute? Okay, so we're going to do what we did 2 weeks ago on a Friday too, a little sound check-in and a quick little math check-in, okay? So in your green journal, I want you to make sure that you have written the numbers 1 to 9 down, just like that. You can even pause the video a little bit, write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now we've looked at the 2 different ways to make the E sound. One way was using 2 E's, right? And the other way was also using an E and then an A. Now there are no rules as to how do you know which one to use. So for today's sound check-in, for the first 3 words, I'm going to tell you which one to use. The first 3 words will have this E sound in it. So basically, I'm looking at you guys making sure you're hearing all the sounds in these E words. So words number 1, 2, and 3 have this E in it. Are you ready? All right. Word number 1 is feet. I have shoes on my feet. Good job. Word number 2 is sweep. I should sweep the floor so that it is nice and clean. Sweep. Awesome. Word number 3, getting a little bit trickier each time, but still using the double E's, is speech. I had to give a speech in front of lots of people. The word is speech. Speech. Break it up into all the sounds that you hear. Okay, the next 3 words are going to have this in it. E and the A together make the E sound too. Are you ready? For word number 4 is sea. Down by the sea, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home I dare not go. The word is sea. Good job. Word number 5 is cheat. You should not cheat on a test, or never actually. The word is cheat. Great job. Word number 6 is beast. I saw a dangerous beast in the forest. The word is beast. All right, words number 7, 8, 9 are bonus words. Let's see. I can't tell you. You might have to use this E, or you might have to use that one. You have to decide and think which one looks right. Okay, are you ready? Word number 7 is the word queen. The queen sat on her throne. Queen. Which E are you going to use? EE or EA? Okay, word number 8 is street. I was walking down the street and then I fell. Street. Great job. And last bonus word is wheat. Wheat can grow very, very tall. Wheat. This is a very tricky one. It's about one other sound we've learned about wheat. Wonder if you can figure it out. You know what? I'll give you a clue. The word wheat should have 5 letters. Fantastic, boys and girls. All right, before we go to the math part, at the top of your page, right in that white spot, could you write the word could and would? I mean, if you know how to spell the word could, you know how to spell the word would too. So write the word could and would as best as you can. Remember, they are rule breakers and don't follow the rule. Could and would. Okay, doing great. What I'd like you to do in your journal is turn to the next page. And do you see what I did there? I divided the top part in half. I wrote the numbers 1, 2, and 3 down here. The number 4 and the number 5. Can you do that on your piece of paper? I'll just give you a little bit of time. All right, fantastic. At number 1, I like you to write the number that is missing in this. Oopsie, sorry. What number is missing? Hopefully you can read them. The number in the middle is missing. Write down that number next to number 1. All right, good job. Number 2. Remember, if it's too tricky, you just leave it empty, okay? Number 2, what number is missing over here? Good job. All right. Number 3. There's only 5 questions, so we're already at number 3. What number is missing over here before this number and that number? Remember, the numbers have to go in order. Good job. All right, number 4, you get to draw, okay? Your 10s and your 1s. I like you to draw. What does this number look like? 48. How many 10s would you draw? Remember, those are the long triangles. And how many 1s would you draw? Can you draw that for me? In box number 4. Fabulous. I'm sure you got it right. And box number 5, can you please draw what this number means using 10s and 1s? I'm not going to say this number. Hopefully you can know it yourself. How would you draw this number with 10s and 1s? Draw that in box number 5. Fantastic. Check over your work, and your mom will take a photo of both those pages and send it in so I can see if you've been doing hard work. I've heard from a lot of you the parents that you guys have been working hard most of the time, right? Maybe sometimes you don't really feel like doing the work and you'd rather play. But remember, if you just push through, you get to playtime really, really, really quickly. Anyway, enjoy the rest of today and your weekend. I'm curious if you're doing anything for your grandparents, something special for your grandparents today or this weekend. Anyway, see ya. Miss you all so much, but I'm glad that I was able to see you this week. Bye-bye.